Congaloosh, everybody. I don't know why. What's with the whiplash? I don't know. So, guys, if you saw this a few days ago, I put up one of those short videos where they disgustingly take a portrait video from your phone instead of a landscape like this beautiful piece of footage is. But that's a different thing. That's a different topic altogether. And also, that was the strangest thumbnail I think could have been selected. The funny thing is, that was the best option for thumbnails. Oh well. So, guys, what is going on? I first wanted to tell all of you that if you've been watching this channel for a while, you saw that back in late December, right before Christmas, I lost my job. So, it wasn't just me. It was like everybody got released right before Christmas. So, yay. Good news. Here we are a little over about a month and a half later, and I got a new job. It's temporary. It's a short gig for 30 straight days. And yes, 30 days in a row. This reminds me a lot of production work that my mom used to do as a set costumer, where she would work 3 to 4 weeks every single day for 10 to 14 hours a day. And, you know, it reminds me so much of what she did, and she built her life off of doing that. So this is my chance. I'm doing pretty much the same thing now. And in celebration, I wanted to share a couple of things with you guys that I have recently received. Yeah, we'll just go with it. So we got a couple of unboxings to do over here. So I figure let's start with one that I received. I actually did receive, and I did open it, but guys, look at this. This is a Marvel Lucha Libre edition nerd box loot crate, part of the Marvel collection core. This was like a little thing. I really had no idea this was a thing. Milo Beasley, I saw him tease it on Twitter, I think back in December, I want to say, maybe even before that. So like, yeah, I might as well just do a one-time buy, because it's Marvel and it's Lucha Libre. I don't see a problem so far. This arrived right on Royal Rumble Sunday, so this was really cool. I did put a photo up already on Instagram, but still wanted to show you guys, and it's starting to spill out, so let's hold it straight. So we open it up, and yep, we got a couple of really cool things in here. Let me show them off one at a time. First off is obviously by the title, it's all Luchador exclusive stuff, but look at this. It is a Thanos and Captain America Luchador stickers. You know me, I've got like a whole bunch of Thanos stuff. I'm big into Thanos. I really love this. I want to put this sticker somewhere really special. I don't know how durable it is. It could go on the car. I don't know. Maybe it'll go on the side of my computer with all the other podcast stickers I have. I don't know. It's going to be... I'm going to have to find a really good spot for it. And then there was this one little thing right here. So we have this little keychain, Captain Marvel Luchador. Or, is it still Luchador if it's female? La Luchador, maybe? But the name is El Estera Cosmica. Well, let's go ahead and let's bust this open. Oh yeah, it's super cute. It looks like it's more comic friendly than MCU friendly, but she's got the Luchador mask. You can see it. That's the best I can get in focus from it. But yeah, you can see she's got a Luchador mask with the mohawk. This is really cool. It's hard to get a focus on because of its size. It's really tiny. And this is a really cool keychain. I love this idea of mixing Marvel characters with Luchador apparel. So this is really cool. But it's not over yet. We've got 3 other items. Vienna Node. So obviously Venom. I love the mask on this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to take these out of their box yet, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. One of them definitely is a keep. The other 2, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it as leverage for new subscribers. I don't know. I don't know. So this is really cool. I love the mask that he's wearing. It has the tongue sticking out. And I always wondered, like, if you were going to do like a real luchador mask, would you have like a little slit for your own tongue to come out, or do you fabricate one that's sticking out? Either way, this is really cool. It looks like a fabric mask. It's got the wing and the web shaped on the side of the mask itself. I really love this. This is very, very cool. This one is El Animal Indestructible. It's Wolverine, obviously. You know what? I'm just realizing. Yeah. You see, in the graphic here, the mask is black, blue, and yellow, but the figure is just gray and black. That's really cool. I wonder if that's like a nod to the X Factor team that he used to be in, but yeah, that's super cool. I love this. This is awesome. This is awesome. All right, last one, and then we're gonna get to the big thing, the big reveal. And this one is El Arachno, which is obviously Spider-Man. This one is, there's so many layers with this, because if you know the Spider-Man mythos, as soon as he got his powers, the first thing he did was he took part in a wrestling match for money type deal. And so that's why I think this is just the coolest thing, a luchador Spider-Man. This is the same color as the graphic with the red and the blue. He does have a little black spider tattoo. Does Venom have that? Oh, wow. Yeah, Venom does have that, except for his is large in a white tattoo, while Spider-Man, or El Arachno, is a small and black one. That's really nice style and touches of detail. And oh, you know, you could probably see it better on the side panels, but you can see Venom has like these tassels hanging off of his wristbands that, you know, just I love the detail that they put in these things. So these are really cool, guys. I hope you enjoy them. I know I will. And now on to something we're really happy about. Alright, guys, you know what this is. This is obviously the Cretans Guild Championship. Now, I got a quick little story behind this that's going to lead into our next box over there. This Tiki figurine in the center, this was done by Tiki Tony. I pulled him aside and I said, hey, can you give me like some ideas for... I wanted him to design the entire belt, and he said, I really don't have time for that, buddy, understandably. So he just drew this, he drew like two others for me, and this was the one that I really liked, so we decided to make it the main character on our Cretans Guild Championship. It was drawn by Tiki Tony. Who is Tiki Tony, if you don't know this? Tiki Tony is obviously a guy who does a lot of tiki designs. He does a lot of mugs where they fabricate, and he designs them, and they're all like they all have like some of them, a lot of them do have like a Disney spin to them. There's a Jungle Book. There's actually a couple of Jungle Cruise tiki mugs. They're all fantastic. And then last year, was it last year, when The Mandalorian started getting big? Not season 2, season 1 got really big. And he just started to design this brand new one called the Keki Bob, where when you see it, it's going to be really cool. So I'm about to open it up. Let's see how the thing looks. I've seen photos of it online, so I don't really know its scale or anything else. So let's both dive into this and see what we get. As you can see, I have not opened this before. It's all completely sealed still. Oops. Cut with the knife away from your neck, Robert. There we go. All right. We got packing peanuts, of course. Can you recycle these? I really don't know. I wonder if there's a way to do it. Okay, so we have this on the top. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this could be. Oh, that's right. Because there was a delay in the manufacturing of these, I think what they decided to do was they sent out an email saying, hey, as we're producing these things, because they design it, they put it together, and they have to actually put it into a kiln and get it fired up and glazed and everything. There was like some kind of delay because of everything, because of COVID. But as a way to be nice is, hey, we're going to give you some extra stuff for being so patient. Because it's been over a year since I made this purchase. So, oh wow. Okay. This is cool. This is cool. Alright, so off the bat, I have a couple of stirrers. They are Baby Yoda, or as they're referring to him, Keki Bob. They are they're cocktail stirrers, and they have the frogs at the end. That's so cool. That is so cool, and they're good, sturdy plastic. I'm still going to be extra careful with them. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. I love that. Love that. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, we have ourselves a trading pin. So here is the trading pin, the Keki Bob Tiki Land trading pin. Yeah, this is what should be in the box. I love this. It's a double-sided pin. Finding where to put all this stuff when you get it, and this is cool. It's a recipe card for a frog cutter. That is neat. All right, so it's 4 ounces of light rum, 2 ounces of brandy, 1 ounce of gin, ½ ounce of blue Curaçao or Curacao. I like saying that just to piss off the mixologists out there. 2 ounces of lime juice, 3 ounces of orange juice, and 1.5 ounces of Eau Grape. Let's see. Shake with ice, pour unstrained into Keki Bob mug. Wow. See, I thought this was going to be like a little thing with 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, with close to 12 ounces of fluid right here before you even do ice. How big is this thing going to be? Oh my goodness. Let's see. All right, wait. It looks like it's in a protective box. All right, so here we go. This is the Keki Bob box. This is actually, wow. You can see right there, Tiki Land Trading and Tiki Tony, kind of his signature. So, the image, let's take a look at each side. So we have him and the frog. We've got this beautiful landscape image. I don't know, I guess it's supposed to be Dagobah, I guess? I'm dying to see this. I know you probably are too, so let's open it up. And, oh wow. Oh wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Put down the box. Oh wow. Here we go. Slow reveal finally comes to. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. It's got a not a glossy finish. It's a I forget what that's called, but oh my goodness, look at the design work. Look how big it is too. I mean, this thing, that'll definitely hold 12 ounces. Let's see, what do we got on the bottom here? Okay, this is all right. It does say Tiki Tony and Tiki Land Trading, and is that like a number? No. Oh, it's just Tiki Land Trading Company, CO. I thought maybe it was like a serial number, like 5 of 6 or something like that. No. Is there anything else like that? No. But still, look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. Here's the opening. It's nice wide opening. Yeah, the stirrers are gonna fit in there real nice. Oh, that's so cool. The inside has a nice gloss finish to it. I don't know if I want to drink out of this. It's so freaking cool and so nice. Oh my goodness, guys. What do you think? You think this is cool? I think it's really cool. Because you know me with my tiki mugs. This is this is top notch right there. And plus, I love the Mandalorian. This is just the neatest thing on the planet. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for cheering me on. And if you caught it earlier, yes, what I'm going to be doing for this new job is going to be 30 consecutive days in a row. I don't know if I'm going to have time to go to the parks or go exploring or do some kind of breakdown of anything else because, yeah, it's going to be a full-time schedule. But probably once that's all done, I'm going to take another month off and just hit as much stuff as I can. So guys, I just wanted to say on behalf of Keki Bob and Skipper Bob me, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Have a good night and a safe drive home.